Hello lovely people, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you how to use Fair and White So White Serum to make your own natural lightening face cream that will help to lighten dark spots, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, melasma, and prevent aging skin. These are the ingredients I will be needing to make this face cream. Since it is a water-based face cream, I'm going to be using the potato juice instead of water. So right now I'm just going to grate the potato and extract the juice because it has skin lightening and tightening properties that can reduce uneven skin tone, age spots, premature aging, and wrinkles. And also it hydrates the skin so well, contains a powerful antioxidant that prevents the skin from free radicals damage caused by harsh sun rays and therefore preventing sunburn. So potato juice is very effective and natural to use as the base for a face cream. So after grating, you just go ahead and extract the juice using a strainer. I'm just going to strain it again just to make sure it is smooth with no particles inside. Next, I'm going to be using Dove Moisturizing Bar Soap. It is a moisturizing bar soap because it is made with a quarter moisturizing cream, and it is a very gentle soap. It doesn't strip the skin of its essential nutrients and thereby leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and radiant. So you just go ahead and grate the soap and melt the soap by using the double boiling method. So right now I'm just going to use a double boiler to melt the soap. While the soap is melting, I'm just going to continue with the process. So I'm just going to put the potato juice in a beaker. Now I'm just going to be adding natural skin lightening oils, and here with me I'm using Now Solutions almond oil, 100% moisturizing oil. And almond oil is the best natural skin lightening oil that you can use to improve your skin complexion. And next I'm going to be adding Fair and White So White Skin Perfector Serum. I'm going to be using 2 eating spoons of this serum. This is a strong lightening serum that I would not advise you to use it directly on your face, or else it is going to thin the skin layer on your face. So I would rather you use it this way. Next, I'm going to be adding vitamin E oil, which moisturizes and nourishes your skin so well. It adds to your glow and makes your skin smooth and healthy, giving you that natural glow. And also this oil is also known to reduce hyperpigmentation and wrinkles, besides maintaining healthy, radiant, and glowing looking skin. I am adding 10 vitamin E capsules, and as for adding the oils into the potato juice, it doesn't have any order of adding. You can add the oils in any order, it is still okay. I'm just going to go ahead and add few drops of preservative into my mixture, and it is always good for you to add a preservative or any preservative into your homemade natural cream for it to stay longer, or else mold is going to grow into your cream, and that is just going to be a waste, because once your cream has mold in it, you can no longer use that cream, you can no longer apply it on your skin, or else it is just going to cause another skin problem. Next, I'm going to be adding an emulsifier, which is an ingredient used in small amounts in water containing creams and lotions. And just like I earlier said, that this is a water face cream, so water and oil do not mix. The emulsifier will allow water and oil components to mix and assisting in forming homogeneous mixtures of both, and also it stabilizes and influences the consistency of the formulation. Next, I'm adding aloe vera 99% gel, which is a natural moisturizing and brightening ingredient, and also good for treating acne scars, sunburns, hyperpigmentation, and melasma. I'm just going to put the mixture into a bigger beaker, because I will be using a hand blender to mix the mixture until it is well mixed, and I get to see that soft, smooth, and creamy formulation. At this stage, I'm going to be adding the melted Dove moisturizing bar soap, and just keep on blending or just keep on mixing. That's the formulation. You can see how soft, smooth, and creamy it looks. At this stage, you can get a face cream container and put it inside if you don't want any fragrance in your face cream. But if you want, then you can add an essential oil into it. I'm going to be adding few drops of lemon essential oil, and also I really love using lemon essential oil because the scent reduces anxiety and depression, which is for real, and also it improves and clarifies your skin with antioxidants and vitamin C, and also treats acne. So you just go ahead and stir, or you just mix until it is well mixed. Finally, here is the face cream. You can see the consistency. You can see how smooth, soft, and creamy it looks. This is just how you use Fair&White So White Serum to make your own lightening face cream. Just get a clean face cream container and put it inside, and apply this cream on your face twice a day, and you are just going to see how it is going to lighten dark spots on your skin, improve your skin complexion, even out your skin tone, and giving you that soft, babyish, glowing, and radiant looking skin.